Hello everybody, this is an assembly of the Dart Zone Max Stryker 2.0. We are first going to start with this back stock to this gun. So, if you get this for your own, I guess you could watch this video to help you. First thing I'm going to address, first thing I'm going to address is that I have not posted in a while. So this will be my first post in a long time. First, I'm going to put this on. This holds the magazine, which I'm not using this one, by the way, but if you want to see what it looks like on here. Sorry. And then there we go. This is what it looks like with that part on. And that's what it looks like with that part on. But anyways, I've also been getting some hate for not really a reason at all. But someone told me I look like a Make-A-Wish person. First of all, I do not, but it's okay if you were part of Make-A-Wish Foundation and you survived cancer. That means you are very strong, and congratulations to you. I hope you are living very happy. Anyways, I'm going to put this on now. This apparently enhances your aim. And there we go. Then I'm gonna put this one on. If you get this, you can put this one on. I'll show you what it looks like. But it's more like a muzzle thing. It makes it look like a scar. And then this one is a silencer, but doesn't really silence the thing. Little foreshadowing. But anyways, now I'm going to show you what it looks like when it shoots. So be ready for that. I'm going to put my protective goggles on that came with this gun. My superior hat also. I have 2 more of these left if anyone at my school wants them. And that just now fell off the table, but that's perfectly fine. Alright, I'm going to back up a little bit. So, pretty good. Alright. Anyways, I hope you had a good day or having a good night or a day. But anyways,
you could stand over there.
Now I'm gonna disassemble it. So let's start with the magazine that I just took out and cut this halfway, and then take that out. It's very fast to disassemble it. Kind of slow to assemble it, but that's perfectly fine because I have all the time in the world. No. But anyways, so this came with 7 parts that you can take off. So yeah. And this is the disassembled look, and I hope you had a good day. I hope you have a good day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.